The Kia Ceed III, produced from 2018 to the present, uses a two-step mechanical latch system designed for safety. This prevents accidental hood openings while driving. First, an interior lever inside the cabin releases the initial catch. Second, a lever under the hood disengages the final safety catch. This dual latch design is standard across all Ceed III models, including the hatchback, SU Wagon, and Pro Ceed Coupe variants. First, park the vehicle on level ground, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake for safety. Next, locate the hood release lever inside the car, usually on the driver's side under the dashboard. Pull the lever toward you to release the primary latch and pop the hood open slightly, about 5 to 10 centimeters. Exit the vehicle and move to the front of the car, then reach under the center of the hood. Locate the secondary safety latch, which is a small lever or handle under the hood. Push or pull the secondary latch to disengage it and fully release the hood. Lift the hood fully open and insert the prop rod to secure it in place for safe access. Safety is paramount when working on your Kia Ceed III. Let the engine cool down for at least 30 minutes after driving to avoid burns from hot components. Consider wearing gloves to protect your hands during the process. Avoid forceful pulls on the latches, as this could cause damage to the mechanism. Hybrid models might have additional electrical safety interlocks. Be cautious around high-voltage systems. Ensure the prop rod is securely holding the hood before performing any maintenance. Hood latch failures in the Kia Ceed III often stem from corrosion, particularly in regions with winter road salt. The secondary latch may jam due to rust buildup, requiring inspection and lubrication. If the secondary latch jams, check for corrosion and apply lubricant. Some hybrid models experience software glitches preventing remote unlocking. For software issues in hybrids, check Kia forums like Owners Club UK or watch YouTube tutorials on manual latch release using a screwdriver. YouTube tutorials demonstrate screwdriver methods for stuck latches, providing a DIY approach to troubleshooting. Preventative maintenance is key to keeping your Kia Ceed III's hood latch working properly. Start by regularly inspecting the hood latch mechanism for any signs of wear or damage. Lubricate moving parts with silicone spray once a year. This prevents corrosion and ensures smooth operation of the latch system. Listen for any unusual rattles or notice if the hood feels misaligned. Address these issues promptly through inspection or professional service. Early detection of problems can prevent more significant and costly repairs later on. Automotive experts rate the Ceed III's hood access as user-friendly, scoring it 8 out of 10 for ergonomics. The lever placement is intuitive, but taller owners might find the secondary latch awkward without assistance. The dual latch system is robust, but can fail in 2 to 3% of cases after 5 years due to plastic wear. Annual lubrication is highly recommended by mechanics. The automotive industry is moving toward electronic and app-integrated hood opening systems. Late-model Ceed III units have proximity sensors and keyless entry, allowing remote hood unlocking. Future systems might be controlled via smartphone apps or voice commands, with AI-driven diagnostics. Expect electric actuators for better reliability and reduced failure rates. Real-world experiences with Kia Ceed III hood latches provide valuable lessons about maintenance and potential issues. A 2020 Kia Ceed III GT line owner in the UK faced hood latch failure after 80,000 miles. Corrosion from winter road salt caused the secondary catch to jam, requiring replacement under warranty. This highlights the need for regular inspections in harsh climates. In Germany, a 2022 Kia Ceed III hybrid owner encountered a software glitch in the UVO system that blocked remote hood unlocking. The issue was fixed via an over-the-air update, demonstrating how digital features can introduce vulnerabilities in modern vehicles. A U.S. mechanic created a popular YouTube tutorial demonstrating how to manually release a stuck hood latch on a 2019 Kia Ceed III using a screwdriver. With over 500,000 views, it emphasized DIY fundamentals and prompted Kia to improve latch designs in later models. These real-world examples underscore common pitfalls, such as wear in high-mileage vehicles, corrosion in harsh environments, and software vulnerabilities in connected cars. They emphasize the importance of regular inspections, preventive maintenance, and building DIY knowledge for reliable vehicle operation.